So hey, that was a fast one. I'm sweat. So price started with a. Oh yeah, I just catch it, man. I supposed to
Great. Pulling out the camera. 12 p.m. Alright, we already had a live session with a few members from the group. I didn't get to actually catch a trade. It was still a good session, by the way. But I didn't get to place a trade live, but I did tell them I would record the video of me placing a trade live today once I got an opportunity, and it looks like we are approaching that happening. I'll also be sending this signal out to the group chat, both beginners and the VIP. So we are here on the 5. This is where this trade entry was supposed to be. Well, not supposed to be, but this is where I got this idea from. It would be a buy, but I am still waiting confirmation. Yeah, you would believe that once this price meet me zone, I gain in for it, but nah, bruv. Nah, bruv. I gotta get more confirmation first. Actually, I already got enough confirmation. I ain't even gonna hold you. Does it confirm though? Alright, let me check some real quick. 17,630, 17,621. Let me just go back in time, right? And check where 17,630 and 17,621. Alright, so 17,630 is here. And 17,621 is right here. So the low that we took was this one here at 17,640. Because it was 17,630 and 17,621. So does price have like a real reason to turn from here and start going up? I can be honest with y'all, as much as I want price to start going up, it does not look so. It does not look like it has a valid reason to start going up from where it took out 17,621. That's nothing. 17,640, yeah, that's something. And the high that was farmed before 17,640 was taken has not been broken impulsively. I thought I had a trade, but I don't. I'll wait. I'll keep waiting. Hey, patience is the name of the game, bro. So what's up with it? Hey, Guyanese real heavily influenced by the States. Like, I don't even mean to be talking with a twang, as we call it. It's just slip out, you know? But I'm gonna catch you guys in the other one, man. Peace. Give me a minute and I come back, yeah? I'm back. This is the, like, end of the trading day. It's 4:55 p.m. This happened when price came to my entry. You know, it just keep falling. But, oh crap. That was one of the videos that ended up getting deleted. But if y'all had seen that video, I entered a trade like this in the past, and that trade was the reason I didn't enter this one, by the way. That's the reason I didn't enter this trade. Like, even though they lost on here, I didn't send this trade out to the community, and I did not enter it. Look, we haven't taken any trades, you know. Hold on. Just been. The last message was sent on April 25th. We're still waiting for opportunities. I was seeing this, but let me see if I can find that trade that didn't play out. It wasn't that long ago, it was recent. Here it is. So, here is the trade that I actually took, that I lost. And it was according to basically the same thing as today. It's a previous fair value gap located just above a low. Price went up, left that fair value gap, took out liquidity in the opposite direction in the past at the top, not the opposite direction, and then came approaching that fair value gap. Just drawing it out straight in time here. and reacted but still fell. Basically the same thing happened today, where price come back to an old fair value gap, which was up here, which was at my entry. I even had this downward trend line. Even though I don't use trend line, I was actually trying to illustrate something on the live this morning, but it came down to that fair value gap and reacted but still pushed because there was a low, an old low located below that, and this price took out recent highs. That same move right there, this low that was formed before, this high took out these highs over here and over here. So that's the reason I didn't go in, and I'm glad. I'm going to document this, I'm going to journal this trade. But that's it for this video. I'm not gonna make it too long. Definitely can catch y'all in the next one. It's been, this is what, Tuesday? Yeah, 2 whole days so far in this week. I haven't placed a trade. Hopefully we'll get to place one tomorrow. So catch you guys in the next one. Actually I'll make one video. It won't be the next one. So see you guys tomorrow.
So, as usual, I gotta check the time. It is currently 2:38 in the afternoon. It's the third day. It would have been the third day I didn't end that trade because I didn't find any setups all morning and just waited until. But we just had a news release at 2 p.m. FOMC Nas100. But price looks bullish. I sent this out to the community, so they also in. I entered with reduced risk because the trade is all the way up there, and I'm just realizing that I did not set a stop loss. I hope Cam will come back. Yeah, interesting. Let's get it out. Single cent. Looks like we're almost at TV. I just pull out the camera. I mean, I want to start making these videos short, but I need this short. Please let me get this stress on some content. I ain't even thanked like the couple of you that's been subscribing. That's going crazy. I didn't even expect that this being like a fifth video, and I thank very, very, very much. That's what commenting as well. Very grateful. Honestly, I just thought it would be me talking to the camera, but currently I give value to somebody out there, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, this is where we got in from. This impulsive break, the retrace. Stop was supposed to be back there, but I was like, nah, give this trade some more. So I put it back there. And yeah, my take profit is at 58 cents. Here. So hey, that was a fast one. I'm sweating. So price started with a. Oh yeah, I just catching it, and I supposed to that was a quick trade. Only like 3 we ended up catching it, but yeah, because I sent the signal out at 2:33 p.m. there. But yeah, so I was on the 3 minute, and on this one here, I looked at it, I didn't hit it yet. But after this one here was almost closing, I was like, alright, that's it right here. Ended that trade, send it out, I entered like 2 p.m. and send it out at screenshot. Yeah, we got that at 2:33. So from 2:33 to that's 3 and 6 minutes this trade. So I don't know, got it, I don't know, missed it, but I don't do scalping. This is like a scalp because I only saw an entry on 3 minutes, and I only saw that recent target. So ideally, I would like to buy this trade from here. So everyone in the chat would have had enough time, but I didn't have the confirmation. And the confirmation come late. Trade take off as soon as we enter. We go to trade views at the market, stuff like that, and give you a breakdown of this trade, why I took it, why my stop loss was where it was at, and why my take profit was where it was at. So we're back. Literally more than an hour later, thank God, me and Internet Being started tripping before I entered this trade. Like this, like as soon as I come out of this trade, and internet started. Did you not? Did you sell internet sucks? Brick. I'm going back to GTFX. I'm going back to mobile internet service provider. I thought this 5G fiber and shit was it. It's not. But yeah, that's the reason the video has to cut and go back. Regardless, still gonna give you all the trade breakdown. So this price movement here, which was bearish to the downside, all this movement right there, I noticed that in the past it took out a low. Well, we have this low right here being taken like this, but bearish movement taken on this last one. It took out this low, which was important because it's a long-term low. Price further, I might have this thing a little bit bars. So zooming in, we can see that price ended up coming down and taking out this low, which was very important. This low was low that was farmed before this long-term high was formed. Remember, price is continuous. Everything that happened in history is going to be used to gauge the price, or at least help it move in one direction, positive direction. So after this was historic, an old high, right? An old high was taken. The low that was farmed before that old high was taken, we don't want to see that broke, or else we know we can keep it down. If it is broken impulsively, if it is just taken, like some weak candles, and then the high that was farmed before this low right here was taken, like the one that is more forward, more present. If that high is taken impulsively, then I buy. That's what happened. So the price ended up taking this low. When we go forward in a minute, you'll see the price taking that low. But it took that low, and then if you notice, just a very small gap, but the gap still exists nonetheless. Right here, price came back, touched that gap, and then started to move. So we have this level here at 17,363, and the fair value gap was at 17,380. All right. This high right here, if this is broken impulsively to the upside and there's a fair value gap behind, then I'm taking it for a buy, and I'm going to aim for anywhere top here. But since price went lower and filled that fair value gap at 17,380, like right here, this move right here filled the fair value. I was watching it like, all right, cool. Let's see, do you want to keep pushing further down? Are you going to take out any of the highs that were farmed before that low filled the fair value gap? Any of these highs at all? Even though this ain't really a high, this is. And I count this as high. So when I saw this price action here, which is basically two like right bullish candles, you know, so we're at 380, which is this level right here. There's a fair value gap in the past located at 17,380. So anywhere around here, there's a fair value gap in the past. Why is price reacting this? Boom, price does a little shoot up like this, taking out this little intermediate high, if you want to call it. But I was more focused on these highs up here and up here being taken. Once I saw this color right here, I mean, it wasn't as impulsive as I wanted it to be, but it had the fair value gap. Was still an impulsive candle. We didn't have an impulsive close above it, but the candle counts. That one candle is like, okay, I'm gonna watch and see how price reacts. it came down. If I entered early and put a stop there, I would be able to trade. Price came down. All here took out this low that filled the gap. So after the 2 o'clock release, so 2 o'clock was this. So 2 o'clock was this bullish candle that closed with a large wick from the upside. But even though it closed with the wick, I was still confident for a buy because all this happened did run above, sorry, the run below this low that filled the gap. We also had still, even though it closed, it was impulsive movement that broke this high, and it didn't break this high, but it broke this high, and this high was the high that broke this one. So I was still looking at these key points. Remember, since this low took this low that filled the previous fair value gap, we ain't caring about the lows so much, we caring about the highs, because the importance of this high that formed this low was now transferred to this high that formed the low that took out that importance. Understanding like the importance of which high and which low to focus on to gain an entry, bro, I can't stress it enough. Because watching this price and observing which high to be my trigger point or to be like my indicators, yeah, that's the only indicator I need, price. And as long as you see certain things done, or once as long as you see certain things play out, and you should know that price is tipping its hand or hat or whatever the saying is, saying it wants to go in this direction. But yeah, we had this little triggering of our trade on the 3 minute and ended this trade at around 2:31. This trade, this next candle that was like right here, I didn't really like looking at charts too much, as like I said, I was now starting the video and just not focused. I just get back in my head now that once you said it, the reason why my stop loss was put here first of all at the bottom there, anchored below this recent low, is because certain highs and lows price wouldn't just break unless it has intentions of going in that direction. This is how I just use these highs and lows, The past 2 days, I haven't this single trade. Like Monday come, no trade. Tuesday come, no trade. I just been watching, waiting for thankfully we're up, and thankfully we're up. That's it. I will repeat the exact thing tomorrow as long as I see the opportunity to do so. But as for now, I'm here to this video. Hope you found some sense of value and was able to hear visual background and so on. Hey, I'm apologetic for what I can't do. I'm apologetic. You hear me and you hear me. And any so that's gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Choose any other one. Peace.